Okay, this is a video to show you how to construct a parallel line. The situation we're dealing with is we have a line BC and we have a point, and we want to construct a line through A that's parallel to BC. And we're going to do that by constructing congruent alternate interior angles. So the first thing we need is a transversal. And I'm going to connect A and C. That's going to be my transversal. Then I'm going to take my patty paper, my tracing paper, and I'm going to use my straight edge and the tracing paper to trace this angle ACB. This is one of the alternate interior angles. It's very important to do an accurate tracing. Use a straight edge. If you draw it freehand, you don't actually have an angle. You have some squiggly lines. Okay, so here is the angle that's at the base, and I want the angle to be up here as well. I want congruent alternate interior angles. And the way I achieve that is by taking this angle and folding along one of the sides of that angle. That's how I'll be able to draw that side. The other side is going to have a vertex that intersects at A, and that side is going to perfectly match the transversal, the red line, AC. And then I just take my ruler, and right at the top of the tracing paper, I just draw my parallel line. And these are parallel because I constructed congruent alternate interior angles. I have parallel lines. Okay, now we can do exactly the same thing again if we have a triangle. You're going to see in another video why we want to be able to draw a line that's parallel to the base through this vertex A. But this point A is just like the other one. It just happens to also be the vertex of a triangle. So I'm going to highlight my transversal so it looks just like what I did the first time. And I'm going to take another piece of tracing paper and I'm going to trace the angle. It's going to be one of my alternate interior angles. See, and then I'm going to reproduce that angle up here so that I get a pair of parallel lines. But the way I have to do it, I have to fold my tracing paper along the side of the angle. I fold it so I use it as an edge for the ruler so I can draw with a straight edge my parallel line. Because the alternate interior angles are congruent, my lines are parallel. Constructing one line parallel to another through a point. How do we do it? Congruent alternate interior angles.